Hello there, welcome to your latest forecast brought to you by the Met Office. And we've got some rain coming its way southeastwards through the course of today. Thereafter though, high pressure building and a fair amount of fine weather to be had as we move through the week ahead, but temperatures certainly no great shakes for this stage in the year. So let's look at the bigger picture then as we move through Sunday. We've got this front slowly shuffling its way southeastwards across the UK. To its rear though, pressure building from the west into a cooler air mass, so hence those temperatures taking a bit of a downturn. But the surface pressure pattern doesn't tell the entire story. If we look at the upper level winds, so think of this as being the approximate dip in the jet stream, you can see this dip just coming across eastern England here, and in amongst all that there's some colder air higher up in the atmosphere, and that plus surface heating from the strong sunshine this time of year means we've got a few showers which are likely to break out. So despite the pressure building in from the west, it's not an entirely dry picture as we move into Monday. Back to the here and now then, and we've got a bit of a three-way split then really for this afternoon. To the northwest of this front we've got brightening skies and a few showers for northern and western Scotland, maybe the odd shower for Northern Ireland too. This front making slower progress though across the rest of Scotland into northern England, perhaps western fringes of Wales and maybe the far southwest of England by this afternoon. But ahead of that, where we've got a lot of low cloud and some mist and fog first thing this morning, well that should lift and thin for most of us, although a few eastern coastal areas of England may stay rather grey. But inland, some warm sunshine coming through, and where we've got the best of the sunshine and with light winds, 20 or 21 degrees is certainly possible. Right on the coast, so it could stay a bit on the cool side. And to the northwest of this front, remember into that cooler air mass, those temperatures down several degrees compared to what we saw on Saturday. Now through Sunday evening, this front will continue to make its way slowly southeastwards. Perhaps the odd heavier burst of rain developing for a time across parts of eastern England. Shouldn't amount to much for most though. And then skies clearing quite widely away from the far southeast of England, albeit with a few showers across northwest Scotland. And where we've got those clear skies and with fairly light winds from many places, it's going to be quite a chilly night. So temperatures in towns and cities well down into single figures. In the coldest spots across northern Britain may not be far short of freezing. But a chilly start will be compensated for by plenty of sunshine for the majority of places as we go into Monday morning. Showers though will get going quite quickly across northern Scotland, and as we move on through the day with the strong May sunshine, and remember we've got that colder air aloft, so we're going to see those showers bubbling up a bit more widely across eastern England and eastern Scotland, and the odd heavier burst is not out of the question. West is definitely best though for sunshine, and with lighter winds here I think it will feel warmest, but you'll notice for all parts of the UK those temperatures will be down quite a bit compared to what we've seen over the weekend, so 17-18 degrees at best for many places, rooted into the mid-teens. And as we go on through Monday evening, we'll see those showers slowly fading away from eastern areas as we lose the heating of the day. This weather front then giving northern Scotland a glancing blow through Tuesday, but for many places we will see pressure building from the west as we move on through the middle part of the week. Temperature pattern underneath here showing some chilly nights, pleasant enough by day, but certainly quite chilly by night for the time of year. And then this weather front threatening western areas with some patchy rain as we move into Thursday. So a summary then for the week ahead, and after the rain clears away from southeast England, I think a lot of dry weather for many parts of the UK. Yes, there will be a few showers, but on the whole I think a dry story for most. But whilst it's not been particularly warm by day, the nights will certainly be quite chilly, so gardeners and growers certainly be aware of that. Of course, you can keep up to date with all things for the weather where you are by checking out the Met Office across our social media channels. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.